today. I'm back again here at Learn with KT. So welcome. Thank you for standing by and waiting for our video to upload. And so today, I'm going to discuss with you how to create a pattern that would be on point with your brand using our online tool, which is Easil.com. So if you haven't signed up for an account yet, you can go to bit.ly/try Easil now, all one word, no dashes, no spaces. And I'm gonna link that down in the description box below as well, so that you can just click it if you did not catch what I just said. So anyway, once you log in to your account, again, I'm using a recently opened account, and I'm showing you that as soon as you sign up for an account, you will be automatically upgraded to the Plus plan. So that means you will get some premium templates and stuff like that. And you can experience that for a good 30 days. And if you so decide to upgrade, check out the pricing plan so you can pick which one best suits your design needs, okay? So for our project today, the size that we are going for is a square file. So we are going to create Instagram size. So let's click this. All right. And then we don't want to use any template as of this point because we will be starting from scratch, and because we are creating a pattern that suits our branding. So just click on create from blank. Okay, and the blank file should appear. So here you go. We can actually rename this pattern, and then maybe your brand name or whatever naming convention you want to use. So for today, I'm just gonna use pattern, and then what I'm gonna do here is to put a color for our background. So now it's currently set to white. So you go to the color picker on the top left corner of the screen, and then click, and then it will show you the background color and the document colors, and then you just have to choose what color you want. So for this project, I'm gonna use a pale peach color so that it kind of looks feminine still, because it's the aesthetic of the brand that I have. If you haven't seen my Instagram page yet, you can go to instagram.com/KT Paper Designs, and you will see that my general aesthetic leans on the feminine side. So I'm gonna choose this color, F2F2. All right, and then I'm going to go here, add graphic elements. Okay, and then I'm going to choose illustrations. You can actually use shapes as well. You can use icons, but maybe we can use icons as well instead of illustrations. But we can go ahead and take a look what Easil offers us. So we can go click icon first, and we can revisit all the other things here later if we don't find something that we would like to use. But of course, you can also upload your own image if you cannot find anything that interests you. Let's just scroll over to these are for free, everything that you see here, unless there's a dollar amount that appears. And also you can tag some stuff as your favorite just by clicking on the heart, so it goes to your favorite section. I think I'm not feeling anything so far, so I'm actually kind of leaning towards the beer because it looks attractive, but not right now. Okay, maybe the ice cream, but let's, if I cannot find any. Oh, this one is nice. Okay, I like this. So there, we picked a coffee illustration or an icon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna resize this to the size that I prefer. Maybe this is a little too small, and then I'm gonna adjust so it fits. So for this side, I'm going to choose and put it like this. Okay, and then next we're just gonna duplicate it. Okay, the guidelines can serve as your guide so that all the illustrations are in line. Okay, now the next step that we're going to do is just to duplicate it again. So just adjust the spacing. Okay, and then another one. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is to actually copy everything just once. So I press the shift key on my keyboard and then duplicate. So everything is duplicated, and then I'm going to adjust so that this photo right here, this illustration, is actually right in the middle of this two. So there you go. And then we are going to do the same thing, duplicate again, and then maybe we can adjust this a little further away. Okay, and then this one we are just going to align. Okay, and then copy this one again and then duplicate. And then what I'm going to do is to highlight everything, and we are going to adjust the spacing to make sure that everything is actually centered. Or another option is for you to add some more here, but we can just do this. Okay, now we already have a pattern. Okay, so there's our pattern. Now, what we can do is to add another shape actually. There you go. And then maybe we can add a square and change the color to white. And then you can put a quotation. So that's how you create a simple pattern file. You can choose whatever icon or whatever PNG shape that you wish to use. You can also put the things randomly without even aligning things. So let's try that. I'll add a new page so it's blank. So let me see if we can find maybe flower or maybe feather. What do you think? So feather. Let's see if there are nice feather shapes. No, there's only one, so I'm not gonna use that. So let's go ahead and try flower. Okay, so probably we can use this. I want to change this to orange maybe. No, you can change it. Oh, there you go. And maybe change the leaf to maybe brown. Okay, that's prettier. Okay, and then just create duplicates of this. You can also do like this. You don't have to follow actually a set standard, so you can arrange whatever you see, whatever you use, whatever icon you decide to use, you can arrange them randomly inside your file, because that's how pattern goes. It's just a repetitive occurrence of the image that you see or that you picked. So there, and maybe I want to put it right here, and then another one, and then another one right here, and then another one, and one more. Okay, now let's look for other elements. Maybe let's go back here. I think there's a pattern, so we can also choose some other elements that we want. Like, okay, I like this one. but I think it's in white, so we have to change the color. I love how stable the color picker of Easil already at this point, so I really like using it. And maybe I'll send this to the back portion, so send to back, so it doesn't interfere with the illustration that we have. Okay, then I'm going to put that in all corners, so I'm just gonna angle it. Okay, now you go here and send to back, and then duplicate another one, and you are going to go this way. No, whoops, where are you going? So I should turn it. I'm having a hard time turning it. I don't know which way should it go. So it's the same direction. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna pick it like this. This is a bit challenging if your file has a random shape. So, but I'm okay with this already. Okay. And then maybe another one. So we have to duplicate it again. This one. So don't be stressed when something doesn't go along as planned. Just play around with it. Enjoy the process. Okay, so if you are watching this and you have tried making patterns already in the past, comment below what type of patterns you like using or you like to create. Okay. Or you can just simply tell me what's your favorite Starbucks coffee is. Because I have a set favorite, so there's only 3 that I always order. First one would be coffee jelly. I'm not sure if it's available in other parts of the world, but in the Philippines, it's available. And also, I like iced or mocha frappuccino, and I also like white chocolate mocha. So those are my favorites. And during the holidays, I like snowy cranberry frappuccino or toffee nut latte. So those are my favorites so far. So we're just randomly putting in some design elements or icons around our project. And let's pick another one that could be small. So we'll go back to icons and probably choose something like this one, or maybe a leaf, right? So let's type and search for a leaf. Oh, it's an apple. Oh, it's a clover leaf. Okay, maybe a clover leaf. Then we put that on the empty spaces. So there, just random creations of patterns. It's like creating a fabric style, right? So there you go. That's how easy it is to create a pattern using Easil. Of course, you can prettify this, but I didn't quite prepare for a design because I wanted to show you how easy it is without even planning, without even thinking out so hard about the pattern that you will be creating. So you just have to pick and choose, pick the correct size, and then you can go and look for the icons that you prefer to use, maybe something on point to your brand. And you can also change colors. So as you can see here, you can change the color of the coffee cup. Just go to element colors, and these are the chosen colors as of this point. So you can change it, maybe change the straw to a green. That's really possible. Okay. Or did I choose the correct element? Okay, there you go. Now that looks better. So there, you can even change this random placement of the icons like what we did here, but of course this one looks prettier in my opinion. So go ahead and try it, and if you can put your link in the comments box, if you put that on your Instagram or anything so I can check it out, then I would appreciate it. You can use the hashtag LearnWithKT, so it's easier for me to come through all your posts. So there you go. I hope you liked our simple Easil project today, and I hope you try it. If you have other suggestions for topics, do let me know, leave a comment, and I'll be back with another video. All right, goodbye. Have a great day, everyone.